Hello everyone, my name is Jenisha Thapa and I'm currently studying in Presidential Graduate School, which is affiliated to Westcliff University, California. So in this video, I'm really excited to share my experience with Unified Mentors. So over the past 5 weeks, I got an incredible opportunity to learn, explore and complete the amazing real-world projects which truly enhance my skills and also my confidence. So during my journey, I worked on my four major projects. That was Netflix and data analytics with a visualization, where I learned how to clean a data set, perform an in-depth analysis, and create insightful visual dashboards that helps me to uncover viewing trends and patterns in this visualization. The second project I moved on or I worked with was cybersecurity threat detection, which gave me a practical exposures in identifying, analyzing, and mitigating the potential security threats using a data-driven techniques. I also created a dashboard using a Power BI that was really helpful and to gain the data. And the other project I worked on was healthcare recommendation system, where I applied machine learning models to recommend personalized healthcare solution based on my patient data, and which also make me realize the potential of AI in improving the lives. So the last project where I worked was Uber trip data analysis, where I analyzed a large set of data to discover a peak travel times, trip patterns, and also the factors affecting the right and sharpening my data analytics skills. So this project were not just my assignments or not just the project, they were a hands-on experience that helped me to connect with the theoretical knowledge with the real world application. The guidance, the mentorship and the feedback from unified mentors really made a great difference in my learning journey. So I truly appreciate this opportunity, and this is not only to strengthen my technical skills but also help my problem solving and critical thinking mindset. So I really want to thank the Unified Mentors team for helping me grow, learn and prepare me for the professional world. Thank you again.